Okay, guys. So, as in the previous video, I put all the rings on, and now we are putting the pistons in the block. Go. So what I did is that I put this rubber band on the edges of this. Wish I had a big one, but this will still work. This will help of not scoring or marking up the cylinder wall. Just like that. Take a bearing, get that ready. So, when you do put these bearings, there's a little tab on that. They only go one way, and that tab goes into this little slot. And on every piston there will be that arrow. That arrow always points towards the front of the engine. Just make sure you do that. Get that bearing in there. And take some oil. Just like to wipe down everything before I put the new piston in. Okay. Now I have to put this back on. Oh well. Alright. Arrow. Now you need to take a ring compressor, and also when you are doing this, the gaps needs to be opposite from each other. sure the gaps are still opposite of each other. And tighten this up. And make sure you put some oil. I just like to use 5-rate oil on it. Rub it. And arrow goes towards the front. Now you can take that rubber band off. Come on. Awesome. Okay.
What are you up to this summer? Getting ready to heat things up at your favorite music festival? Vegas? Telluride? Toronto maybe? Lucky you. So
There.
when you're tailgating or camping at the festival, don't forget the
Now
Kingsford
slide it
Easy
back
Light
down.
Bag. With the Kingsford Easy Light Bag, you'll get that charcoal
Okay.
flavor anywhere you go. Meal prep me, just like the bag. Why
Oh.
not? Why not fire up barbecue beats?
Take
Sponsored by
this.
Kingsford for a hot minutes for your grilling soundtrack. Tap now to launch and check it out.
Just like that. Make sure this is flat on the deck, which mine is not.